everybody, welcome to Boom City Breaks on Thursday, April the 14th. Tonight we are breaking autographed jerseys. This here is a 3-box break. It is one of the Gold Rush autograph football jerseys from 2017. It is also one of the Hit Parade autograph football jerseys from Series 14. That would be box 84 of 100. And one of the boom boxes. We let them select between a stack of 3 on the boom boxes. They picked box C, so that's what we're breaking. We did random team sales, you can see on the left. We have already randomized teams and customers, then alphabetized those customers so they could see who they had a bit easier. Gave them ample opportunity to trade, and here we go. Old Bobby Two Pops is back with Gold Rush and top of your seals. Let us see what we get. Well, I think it's going to be a number 13, folks, but is it going to be a TY or an OBJ? It is going to be a TY, folks. Nope, sir. That's a TY. Hilton, folks, thought it was the OBJ myself there. But it is a TY Hilton, folks. Let me show you your JSA numbers. I got to refold that real quick because of the way it came out. Boy, it's a nice custom, guys. Yeah, she's a really pretty decent one. Some of these are not the greatest, but this is a really nice one. Let me fold that baby up there. All right, who is the Colts? Who is the Colts? Holy cow, man. Wow, CCN is... I want to say that it's CCN's 4th hit of the night. I had said that jerseys are streaky as hell. I was telling, I think, Big Mo earlier. And holy cow, look at what CCN is doing here. He had a 1-spotter there, guys. Wow. That is pretty sick. That is a CCN hit. All right, gonna move into our Hit Parade box, y'all. God, yeah, he is hitting some nasty stuff here. Let us see what we gonna get. Wow, is it gonna be another Colt? All right, guys, pop of your seal. Wow, 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 guys. How about that? How about that, guys? There is your JSA number. Boom, folks, Mr. Randy Moss, and that is a Patriots jersey. It is a custom, but a beautiful custom, folks. There you go, girl. Miss C. Keene hits herself a beauty of a Randy Moss. She went on a nice run last week herself, too, boys. Really nice. That's a beauty of a jersey. Yeah, Julio's going to be Facebooking ya. All right, guys, sorry. I'm just going to get my camera to focus. There you go. All right, y'all selected box C. As you can see, there's the markings we put on that baby. We will see. Holy cow, is it? Oh my God! guys, this is, I don't know. This is, yes, no, I am not kidding you, folks. This is it, literally OBD. That's what it's going to be called from now on. It's like Bobby Two Hits here because of this has been like this for the last. It was like this every night last week for me. Look at that SIG though, folks. Is that not a great, awesome SIG by an awesome player, folks? That is a Malcolm Mitchell. It is a custom. Holy cow, that was the last friggin' jersey. They're different brands. They're different brands. What the hell does mixing the boxes do? They're like... And you guys picked them. Yeah, you guys picked the damn box, man. What the heck, man? Well, girl, there you go. That is crazy, man. Well, girl, sorry, she hits herself a nice, two nice jerseys, guy. Two very, very, very good players. Nice hit. I'm happy for her. Like I said, guys, mixing them has nothing to do with it, man. One was HP, one was boom boxes. It's not. Blended better has nothing to do with it. All right, it's just I don't know what's going on, man. No, I understand, folks. I don't understand what's going on. No, it is.